These are the elevators at the St. Joe's University. Excuse me. Hawks Landing parking garage. I believe these are Kone. Got this one. That looks like a Kone with the lantern. 6. Are we going there? Are we moving or not? Yeah, these are Kone. Here at 6. We're going to send that down to G. That doesn't work, but I believe that's Rashford Hall. There it goes. Let's get out here and look around. I believe that's the main chapel and some of the older dorms. Over there's Center City where I'm zooming in. That's either, I believe there's Rashford, I believe that's Lannon. There's Mandeville Hall, right there. This is all Hawks Landing. Not sure what that building is in the distance. These pesky bugs are everywhere. There's a Wendy's. Gosh, I hate those gnats. Very nice view. Beautiful day. Let's go back down now. Emergency phone right there. Oh, the chime works on this one. Down barely lights up. G, close it up. These are Kone. It says 1 instead of G. Go back up to 6 and see if this lights up. Doesn't chime either. Goes. Still got the window going up. Don't want to get that lady on camera. Oh, it's not going to chime. I think I have to ring it from the outside. Same thing downstairs. Gotta be discreet because I work here on weekends. It's not gonna ring, I have to send it up. Which time now? but you can see right at the shaft. Send it up to 6. I'm gonna watch it go up. There she goes, and that's it.